So guys, as you can see, I already put the glue and everything. And since this wig is a synthetic hair, I don't really know how it's gonna look like. But yeah, as you can see, I removed this part that was hanging here. Yeah, I added some foundation. I hate synthetic hair because of this. Guys, as you can see, I already placed the wig. Like, I added the glue and all that. I'm just gonna go ahead and remove this part and try to lay the baby hair. Okay guys, sorry, but I had to do everything off camera since it was my first time, you know, styling a synthetic wig like this and all that. But yeah, so
I can't let no man get up on me, that's too close to dying. I'm alert, don't need no added spots. I'm moving, then I'm fine. Treat the whole
Coucou mes amours, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, it's your favorite Congolese girl, Life of Ketsia. If you are new here, my name is Ketsia, or Ketsia in French, and also known as Ketsia LKP97 on Instagram. And I also have a new business page where I post about what I do to earn money sometimes here in China, LKP Beauty. Yeah, so guys, as you can see, I already did my brows. Yeah, so this video is basically about how I try to slay this synthetic wig. Yeah, it was kind of hard though, like to lay this and all that. But anyway, let me go ahead and start applying my foundation. So for my foundation, I use this foundation that I got from House of Way and Ezekiel foundation. Yeah, I will leave her Instagram here, you guys can follow her, and she also has a YouTube channel. You better go and check it out. Okay, right, I usually mix now these two. This one I got a HD corrector, that's two, to give me that skin color, you know, like my melanin is popping already, and I add this two to just give it a little spiciness, you know. Anyway, let me go ahead and apply it. Yes, I don't know if I should do it here or off camera. You guys will just see the result. Let's go. You guys are seeing what I'm saying, the mixture of these two. I'm not gonna put under my eyes because I'm gonna apply concealer there. And yeah, so guys, for the eyes, I'm thinking these three colors. I don't know if I should do this pink or green. Let me try off camera and see which color I'll go with then. Yeah, so guys, I'm done with the eyes, but not really done, but this is the color I went for. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply my eyelashes that I got from House of Way as well with this pencil. It's 2-in-1, at the same time a eyeliner and a glue to glue your eyelash. Okay, I don't think I can apply my eyelashes on camera. I'm gonna do it off camera, and then yeah. So guys,
ouh là là, qui me peut?
hi, look at this beauty, baby. Oh yes. So I fixed the eyelashes, you can see. Now I'm making my face. Then I wonder how this blonde wig will look on me. Like, it's giving already. This makeup is giving. That's maybe it. There's a mirror here. I can't stop looking at myself. The beauty, my dear. The beauty, my dear. The beauty is too much. Yes, guys, this is the final look. What you think about this? What you think about this look? This body? Look, baby. Who is taking me out to Valentine? Who's gonna take me out?
Pull me closer, it's the freaking me.